Simtoon's log, date 27th of June 2022. This is the second log like this, and today I'm gonna work on the part 2 of Terminal Insanity Origins, the book, and try to develop the story further. It's been a while since part 1 came out and since I've done any writing, so I have to get back into it because I definitely want to work on it. And afterwards I'm gonna work on the Rackjacker video game, make some further progress, do a lot of stuff because also I haven't been working on that for some time and I just need to get back into it, because this is what I really love doing, but sometimes you get into a situation which brings you down. So like some of your other plans or something else in your life is not going as expected, and that brings you down in other areas as well. So you don't have the energy and the drive to do other things. And that's what happened to me. But I want to really just close my fists and be like, I'm getting back into it and I'm gonna continue with the game and with the book. So I really have to do it. And I would like to document all this in these logs because, as I said yesterday in the first part in pilot, in the init episode, as I called it, I want to use this to document the journey and to share with you the feelings that I'm having and also the development progress and basically everything that is related to Simtoonia and Ongaken. And specifically for development details, there will be devlogs, so that's a separate part that will not be included in these. There might be some superficial details about development. For example, I may record a log while programming or while sculpting or modeling or whatever it may be, or level designing. But I'm not going to tell you the tiny details. That's for devlogs. So everything is in its own series pretty much. And the people who are not interested in that don't have to listen to that. So, they can choose, or someone may be interested in both. I would definitely be happy, but I'm not sure if anyone will be. But anyway, so getting back into it today, and actually a couple of days ago my bike was stolen, and I really don't get it because I had it locked in a dorm outdoor parking lot for bikes, and it's on the dorm's property, and it was locked. And somehow someone just cut the lock with those large scissors or whatever it's called, I'm not sure at the moment, and just took it. And luckily I found the cut lock on the ground, so that was an immediate clue that someone, or rather evidence that someone stole it. So without it, I would probably assume that someone stole it, but I wouldn't be too sure. And it would also be my fault because I should have locked it, but luckily I did lock it. So and I tried to call the police, but they said that as long as I don't have the serial number, they are not gonna help me. So with my next bike, I definitely have to write down the frame, the serial number of the chassis, and with that they can help me find it. And that would probably I should have done that. I didn't know about this system, so I will know next time. So that was kind of sad and ruined some of my plans. Also plans regarding my part-time job that I currently have. Shit happens, but we gotta move on, and it's in the past, so I'm gonna have to buy a new bike, and that's it. There's not much I can do about it now since I don't have the frame number. But that's it for today. Book and the game. So I really have to do it. I really have to be like, I have to get back into it. Every day, reach my waka time goals, 6 and 8 hours. So I really have to. I have to push myself even when I'm like, oh, no. I have to, definitely. And if you're having like this issue that you're working on something that you've been developing yourself and it's not going as well at the moment, but you think that it might at some point, and even if not, if you really love the project or just in general the activity, so in my case it's mainly coding, then just do it, and you just push yourself, even though you might be feeling like I don't know, and is it even worth it, and I'm a little lazy, but you gotta do it. So anyways, see you tomorrow, and there'll be a devlog from Regjacker soon. I've missed the one that was supposed to be a couple of days ago. Apologies for that if you noticed, but there'll be one soon. See you.